And differences between a coach and a mentor, advisor, or expert. Let's just see here. Main focus here is like the sphere where is working coach or mentor. For example, coach could work on who and what level. What do I mean here? Who level is the personality? What level is the situation, right? So coach will work on the goal, for example, of the client, right? Like the situation, and of course with the personality who will achieve this goal, right? This personality, what they are scared about, what they really want, their desires, etc., etc., their emotions, and so on. So it's who and what. Mentor, advisor, or experts, they will mostly focus on what, like the situation or the sphere, right, where they will consulting their clients, for example, financial advising, right, or something like that, or marketing, or other topic here. Responsibility for the client's result. Coach, no, like I already say, and mentor, advisor, expert, they could have this responsibility on the result because they give some advices, right? And expertise in the client's topic. Coach does not need to be expert on some topic, because like I said, a coach does not give some recommendations, consulting, etc. And mentor, advisor, or expert, of course, they needed to be a great expert in their field, so they could recommend later. So from this case, we understand that coach could work with any request from the client if we are talking about the present and the future, right? Yeah, so I already say that. And if you look on these different professions that work with people to help them to develop, we have like psychotherapist, coach, psychologist, NLP practitioner, trainer, consult, advisor, etc., right? So I do not want to mention that we need to choose or coach or psychotherapist or coach or mentor. It's not like or, but it's more like as coach, as mentor, right? So we could combine them. So one person could work together, for example, first of all with a psychologist, and later, of course, with coach. It could be even a better benefit for them. Or, for example, with coach and at the same time with mentor, because they have like different tasks and they could help to boost the result even better and faster for this particular